How to remove friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove friends on your Snapchat. So to do that, first of all, go to your Snapchat app. And now make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now once you've opened Snapchat, simply go to your chat. And then locate the person whom you want to unfriend. So once you've located the person whom you want to unfriend, simply tap on their profile and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see an option named Manage Friendship, so simply tap on it and there you'll see 4 different options. So in order to remove friends, tap on the second last option, which is Remove Friend, and then you'll have to confirm by tapping Remove, and there you have it. You have successfully removed friends on Snapchat. So that is basically how you remove friends on Snapchat. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.